I do not have anybody else paying my expenses. No one else is covering my housing, nothing. I'm doing it myself, and God is directing it. It's been difficult the last few days. Um, Last night I came in and I was about to fix something to eat because fortunately we have had electricity. Our electricity didn't go off. Thank you, Jesus. Um, I went in and I heard a spewing sound, and then I was like, what in the world? Because I knew there was nothing on in the kitchen because I just walked in there. And I happened to look behind the refrigerator, and I knew there was a pipe behind there where something probably had been previously a long time ago. And I believe it was a washing machine when they had them in their kitchens way back there. And I immediately saw there was water spewing from an uncapped faucet that was behind there. So I went into emergency management and had to start bailing water, but I had to move the refrigerator because they put the refrigerator there. It has been one thing after the other. Right now, I don't have water in the house. The plumber came and he had cut it off, and he was supposed to come back today. He has not come back.